Hi, welcome back to our channel Shaha Computer Education Center. In this tutorial, we will learn how to highlight weekend in list of dates. There are two types of formatting. Number one is static formatting and number two dynamic formatting. So today we will learn static formatting. There are various ways to format as static. In this tutorial, we will learn with the help of net workdays function. So let's begin. Go to database. Here, first we will understand the net workdays function. What does net workdays function do? Net workdays returns the number of workdays between two dates excluding the weekends. So, with the help of net workdays equal to net workdays, our first date is this, then lock the column A, comma, our last date is same. So again lock the A, and we will not include the holidays because we are going to highlight the weekends. Bracket close, enter. We can see here we got 1, and if we drag the formula, this is 1, then this is 0 because this is Saturday and Sunday, and these are 1 because these are weekdays. So now I will use equal to not function to return the 0 and 1 to true and false. Not, then again net workdays, start date, comma, end date, bracket close, enter. So not returns the true to false. 1 is true and 0 is false, so it returns true to false and false to true. So now here we can see that all the weekend days are true and weekdays are false. So this formula can be used to highlight the dates which falls in weekend. So copy this, select the database, then go to conditional formatting and new rule, use this function and paste the formula here and format, fill it with red color. If you want border, give border, then OK. You can see all the weekend dates are colored, but if you want the whole table to be colored, then again go to manage rule and select the whole table, apply, OK. Now we can see the total row is highlighted. So same formula can be used in a attendance sheet. Let's work it with attendance sheet. Here we have the attendance sheet. So first delete these conditional formattings. So we do not have any weekend conditional formatting. So now we will try it with a helper row. First equal to net workdays, start date is this one, and we will lock the row number, not the column. So we lock the row number because we will drag this way, comma, again this one, bracket close, enter. We got 0, and if we drag to the end, we can see here the weekdays are 1 and weekends are 0. So again we use not function to make it opposite. So it becomes true. We cannot see the value. Let's make it little small. We can see these are true and these dates are false. So select the database, Go to conditional formatting, new rule, select this option, then go here and type equal to this cell, and here I will make it mixed, yes, equal to true. If this cell is true, then our formatting will be red border, okay. Now we can see we got all the weekends as colored. But if we do not use this helper row, then how can we use this? So select this option, go to conditional formatting, delete this one and select new rule, select this function, and then here equal to not bracket open network days bracket open this cell, log the row not the column, comma, again same thing, sorry, yes, bracket close for network days and bracket close for not. Then go to format, give it a border and fill color red, then OK, OK, apply. And something is wrong, let's check it again. Yes, network days, here will be S. OK, apply. Now we can see all the weekends are colored. If you also want to color the header row, then just increase the area of formatting and press apply. You can see the heading area also got colored. In this way, you can format the weekend dates with the help of network days. Thanks for watching the video till end. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, do subscribe our channel to support us. And if you have any problem regarding this tutorial, you can contact me in comment section. I will surely answer you. Thanks again. See you in the next tutorial.